Hi guys, welcome to our channel Mainframe Girls. Today we will learn what is mainframe. Mainframe is a server type computer. At their core, mainframes are high performance computers with a large amount of memory and data processors. Some may think of the mainframe as a tech dinosaur. On the contrary, the mainframe evolved to keep pace with other technologies and continues to play a vital role in IT infrastructure. Early mainframe systems filled room-sized metal frames that could occupy between 2,000 to 10,000 square feet. These enormous machines required vast amount of electrical power, air conditioning, and reams of input-output devices. Today's mainframes are smaller than early big iron machines and are about the size of large refrigerator. They are data servers that are designed to process up to 1 trillion web transactions daily with the highest level of security and reliability. Mainframes can handle vast amount of data, support thousands of users simultaneously. It can run for 24 hours with zero downtime, making them essential for industries like banking, insurance, healthcare, and government. Key features include extensive input-output capabilities, robust backup and recovery systems, and advanced virtualization capabilities. Mainframes are the supercomputers that are better than normal computers 1,000 times and that can perform million, billion, trillion instructions per second. Thank you guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel.